Have you ever found yourself standing in front of your closet, surrounded by a sea of clothes, yet feeling like you have absolutely nothing to wear? It's a familiar scene for so many of us. A closet full of options, but none that seem quite right. The pressure to look a certain way, to fit into trends, or to match what we see on social media, can make even the most packed wardrobe feel empty. Maybe you spot a trend you adore, something that looks amazing on someone else, but when you try it on, it just doesn't feel like you. The excitement fades, replaced by a sense of disappointment or confusion. You wonder why it works for others, but not for you. That frustration can quickly spiral into self-doubt. Instead of questioning the clothes, we start questioning ourselves. We blame our bodies, picking apart our shapes and features, convinced that we're the problem. But here's the truth. Your body is never the problem. Every body is unique, and every body deserves to be celebrated, not criticized. The real challenge is understanding how to dress for your individual shape. It's not about changing yourself to fit the clothes, but about finding clothes that fit and flatter you. Dressing for your body type isn't about hiding so-called flaws, it's about highlighting your strengths and feeling empowered in your own skin. When you know what works for you, getting dressed becomes a joyful act of self-expression. Imagine walking into any store, feeling confident and excited, because you know exactly what styles, cuts, and colors will make you feel incredible. Shopping becomes less stressful and more fun. Think of it as cracking a secret code. Once you understand your body's unique architecture, you can build a wardrobe that truly celebrates who you are. Planning outfits becomes an act of creativity, not anxiety. The world of fashion is finally starting to embrace individuality and the beautiful diversity of our bodies. There's no longer just one standard of beauty. There are countless ways to look and feel amazing. The conversation is shifting. It's no longer about shrinking ourselves or trying to look thinner. It's about feeling vibrant, confident, and comfortable in our own skin. Clothing can be a powerful tool for self-expression, a way to show the world who you are, and to find joy in the simple act of getting dressed each day. Let's stop fighting with our bodies and start working with them. Acceptance is the first step toward true style and confidence. This guide is your blueprint for building a new, positive relationship with your clothes, and more importantly, with yourself. It's about discovering what makes you feel your best, every single day. Are you ready to unlock your style superpower and step into a world where fashion is about celebrating you? Let's get started on this journey together. Understanding your body shape isn't about putting yourself in a box or accepting limitations. It's about unlocking a new level of freedom and self-expression. It's about seeing your body as a canvas, ready to be celebrated and styled in ways that make you feel your absolute best. When you know your proportions, you can choose pieces that create harmony, balance, and highlight your favorite features. Suddenly, shopping becomes less overwhelming and more empowering, because you know exactly what works for you. In 2025, personal style is all about authenticity and individuality, not about squeezing yourself into a one-size-fits-all mold. The world is celebrating diversity more than ever, and your unique shape is part of what makes you stand out. Knowing your body type helps you filter through endless trends and pick what truly flatters you. You can experiment with new looks, but always with the confidence that you're choosing what enhances your natural beauty. It's the foundation for building a wardrobe that's both beautiful and functional, one that supports your lifestyle and makes getting dressed a joy, not a chore. You'll make smarter shopping decisions, investing in quality pieces you'll love for years, rather than impulse buys that never quite feel right. Your closet becomes a collection of favorites, not just random items. This approach saves you time, money, and emotional energy. No more endless returns or feeling frustrated in the fitting room, just confidence and ease. Dressing for your shape is a form of self-care, honoring your body, treating it with respect, and showing yourself kindness every single day. When your clothes fit well, you stand taller, move with purpose, and radiate confidence wherever you go. You stop fussing with your outfit and start focusing on living your life, on your goals, your passions, and the moments that matter most. This isn't about vanity. It's about letting your inner light shine and embracing the confidence that comes from feeling truly comfortable in your own skin. Your shape isn't a problem to solve. It's your secret weapon for powerful personal style that's all your own. So let's celebrate it, embrace it, and use it to your advantage. Because your shape is the key to unlocking your most confident, authentic self in 2025. Ready to discover your body type? Understanding your unique shape is the first step to feeling confident and empowered in your own skin. Whether you're just starting your style journey or looking to refresh your wardrobe, knowing your body type can make a big difference. It's easier than you think. You don't need any fancy equipment or complicated measurements, just a mirror, some well-fitting clothes, and a few minutes of your time. Stand in front of a mirror in form-fitting clothes and look at your shoulders, bust, waist, and hips. Notice the way your body naturally curves and where your proportions are most balanced or pronounced. The relationship between these points reveals your natural silhouette. Take your time and observe your outline from different angles to get a clear sense of your shape. No shape is better than another. This is just information to empower your style. Every body is unique, and understanding yours helps you celebrate what makes you, you. Shoulders and hips about the same with a defined waist? You're likely an hourglass. This classic shape is known for its balanced proportions and curves. Hips wider than shoulders with a defined waist? That's a pear or triangle. Pear shapes often have beautifully accentuated hips and a smaller upper body. Fuller midsection, less defined waist, narrower shoulders and hips? Apple or round. This shape tends to carry weight around the middle and often has lovely legs. Shoulders, waist, and hips all similar width. Rectangle. This athletic shape is straight and balanced, with subtle curves. Shoulders broader than hips. Inverted triangle. This shape often features strong shoulders and a narrower lower body, perfect for bold styles. You might be a mix, and that's perfectly fine. Many people don't fit neatly into one category, and your body can change over time. The goal is understanding your proportions, not fitting a label. Use this knowledge to highlight your favorite features and express your personal style. This knowledge is your blueprint for building a wardrobe that feels made for you. Embrace your shape, dress with confidence, and let your style reflect your individuality every single day. Hourglass shapes have balanced shoulders and hips with a defined waist, classic curves. Your mission: highlight your waist and let your natural shape shine. Wrap dresses, fit and flare styles, and anything that cinches at the waist are your best friends. Pair high-waisted skirts or trousers with tucked-in tops to accentuate your silhouette. V-necks, scoop necks, and sweetheart necklines flatter your bust and elongate your torso. Choose fabrics that drape and skim. Think jersey, silk, or soft knits. Avoid boxy or stiff pieces that hide your waist. Embrace bold colors or patterns, but keep balance in mind. Essentials: wrap dress, pencil skirt, high-waisted jeans, V-neck tops, and a tailored blazer. Dressing your hourglass figure is about showcasing your symmetry, not hiding it. Embrace your curves and feel fabulous. Pear shapes have hips wider than shoulders and a defined waist. Your goal: create balance by drawing attention upward. Wear bright colors, bold prints, and statement details on your tops. Structured shoulders and interesting necklines, like boat necks or off the shoulder, add width to your upper body. Pair with darker, simple bottoms to streamline your lower half. A-line and fit and flare dresses skim over hips and highlight your waist. Avoid clingy skirts that exaggerate proportions. Essentials: statement blazer patterned blouses, boat neck tops, dark straight leg jeans, and A-line skirts. Strategic highlighting creates harmonious proportions. Celebrate your shape with confidence. Apple shapes have a fuller midsection, less defined waist, and often great legs and bust. Your mission: create a defined waist and highlight your assets. Choose clothing that skims over your midsection. Empire waist tops and A-line dresses work wonders. Long, open cardigans or dusters create vertical lines and elongate your silhouette. Deep V-necks and scoop necks draw attention upward. Opt for structured fabrics that don't cling. Avoid bulky belts at your natural waist. Essentials: V-neck tunics, open front blazers, slim fit jeans, and empire waist dresses. A supportive bra makes a big difference. Celebrate your legs and bust with elegant, flattering lines. Rectangle shapes have shoulders, waist, and hips in alignment. A streamlined, athletic silhouette. Your style goal: create curves and define your waist. Add volume with ruffles, pleats, and peplums on both top and bottom. Statement sleeves and full skirts create the illusion of a smaller waist. Belts are your best accessory. Cinch dresses, jackets, and sweaters. Fit and flare and belted dresses add shape. Sweetheart, scoop, and cowl necks add softness and curves. Mix textures, prints, and try color blocking for instant definition. Layering with structured jackets adds dimension. Essentials, belts, peplum tops, ruffled blouses, A-line skirts, and wide-leg trousers. A push-up bra can enhance your silhouette. Have fun creating curves on your runway-ready frame. Inverted triangle shapes have broader shoulders than hips, often with a defined waist and great legs. Your mission? Soften your shoulder line and add volume to your lower body. Keep tops simple, solid, darker colors and soft fabrics. Avoid wide lapels, puff sleeves, or shoulder pads. Draw the eye downward with bright or printed bottoms. Wide leg pants, A-line, or peplum skirts. Necklines like V-necks, scoop, or asymmetrical styles break up shoulder width. Avoid wide boat necks or off-the-shoulder tops. Dresses with simple tops and full skirts create balance. Essentials: wide leg trousers, bright A-line skirts, simple V-neck tops, and a nipped-in blazer. Statement shoes or bags draw attention downward. Dressing this shape is about harmony and letting your silhouette shine. Embrace your powerful frame with style. These aren't strict rules, they're tools to help you feel confident in your own skin. True style comes from blending body knowledge with your personality and creativity. If you love a look, find a way to make it work for you. Fashion is a language, and now you're fluent. You can walk into a store and know what works for you. No more blaming your body. This knowledge makes you a curator of your own image. Your body is your greatest asset for building authentic style. See your closet as a place of potential, not limitation. Experiment, play, and break the rules when you want. Confidence is the most stylish thing you can wear. Use this guide as a starting point, but let your spirit lead the way. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this style journey. Fashion is always evolving, and staying inspired is the key to keeping your look fresh and fun. If you enjoyed these tips and want more style inspiration, trend updates, and practical advice for your personal wardrobe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. There's so much more to come. Let's keep building your best style together.